So immediately now we will have address of our Padma Bhushan Dr. Bhaktavatslam Garu.
After I speak only, you will have tea. Please listen to me. Give me an applause now, right now. Bigger applause. Not enough. Came from Coimbatore. Thank you. By applauding me, you are applauding yourself. That is acupressure. One more time. This is better than a tea. I come from a place called Coimbatore. Very famous place. Very famous because the water is so sweet. And also we try to imitate the government by printing 100 rupees notes. And that fellow did an excellent job, so they put him in a jail. It is a textile city. It used to be a fantastic city. Then we had a bomb blast. Then it became a doom city, bomb city. Now it has become an IT city. Now it has become a hospital city. 250 hospitals in a small town. I don't know how, Hyderabad must be having 500. Second, 1,000, 2,000. Oh my God. I thought of coming to Hyderabad. Yes, please, start. Om Shanti. Repeat after me. Om Shanti. ఇంకా బలంగా చేయవండి మేము తెలుగు వాళ్ళండి ఓం శాంతి దట్ మీన్స్ ఓం శాంతి మీన్స్ యువర్ ఎ ప్యూర్ సోల్ ఓం మీన్స్ ఐ శాంతి మీన్స్ ఐఎమ్ ఎ పీస్ఫుల్ సోల్ say you read it I'm a peaceful soul you are not this body you are not a doctor you are not a dentist you are not a chairman you are a soul this body is having a soul. So this body can be a BMW car or a Benz car. You need a driver, no. That driver's name is called soul. Energy force, Atma we call it. You and I are brothers. You may be a woman, but I am your brother. Our father is Param Atma. Madam, my sister, good morning. Don't look at me like this. I am a good man. All doctors are good people, yes? Obviously, yeah. Doctors are healers. The Prophet Khalil Gibran, sir, Salam Alaikum. He is a Unani physician. Yeah, I wish I was a Unani physician. He said, all the children, your children are not your children, they are all children of God through you. Your father and mother created your body, the color of the skin. But you are all children of God through you. They don't look like you at all. The same father created 5 children in my family. 7 children. My father had 7 children. Of course, I should not say this. He had 2 wives also. Why are you laughing? You are incapable. What do I do then? I also told my wife, can I have one more? ఇట్లా చెప్పింది అనకి గమ్మంటూ ఉండి నన్ను ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ కోయంబత్తూర్ ఐఎమ్ ఎ డాక్టర్ ఐఎమ్ ఎ చైర్మన్ ఐఎమ్ ఎ చైర్ వర్కర్ ఐఎమ్ ఎ హెచ్ఆర్డి స్పెషలిస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ ఎ హ్యాపీనెస్ స్పెషలిస్ట్ మై డాక్టర్ మేడం సెడ్ హౌ కమ్ యు ఆర్ మేకింగ్ మీ లాఫ్ లైక్ దిస్ బికాస్ ఐఎమ్ క్రియేటెడ్ బై లార్డ్ టు మేక్ పీపుల్ లాఫ్. Somebody give a big applause. My Lord is Narayana. Edugondavada, Narayana, Govinda. They call Shiva. Both are same only, synonymous. Shiva and Narayana are the same. He made me a doctor. Welcome. You came on the exact time. The bus is late. Bus is late. Say good morning. Say hi. Hi. బాగా ఆడు పంచమ్మా ఈ పాపల కన్నా ఇట్లా మాట్లాడితే పట్టు కదా. ఐ లవ్ యూ మేడం. ఎలా చెప్పితేమి యూ లవ్ యువర్ ఫాదర్, యూ లవ్ యువర్ మదర్, యూ లవ్ యువర్ సిస్టర్, యూ లవ్ యువర్ వైఫ్. ఐ లవ్ దోస్ స్మాల్ యంగ్ డాక్టర్. దే ఆర్ ఆల్ డాక్టర్స్ ఆర్ నర్సెస్ ఇన్ ది మేకింగ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. బీ హ్యాపీ. మై ఫాదర్ సెడ్, రే నేను ఇక్కడ పంపిస్తాను, తమిళనాడుకు పంపిస్తాను, కోయంబత్తూరు పంపిస్తాను. Your only job description is be happy. Is it difficult? Not difficult at all. How to be happy? You make people happy. How to make people happy? Very difficult, but I can tell you simple formula. You smile at everybody. Come on, smile. Look at your right side, look at your left side and smile. That's what Madam told Jena, sister. How to be happy? This is my birthright. Everybody repeat this. Happiness is my birthright. I will be happy only. Ne santosham undidanta puttinanu. Telugu sarleda? మేము తెలుగు వాళ్ళు మాకు తెలుగు చదివేది తెలియదు చదివేది రాసేది తెలియదు బట్ తెలుగు వాళ్ళు nobody can make me unhappy in my hospital 400 people are working 400 beds are there 1600 people are there nobody can make me unhappy am I a doctor am I here to say good morning sir say good morning say good morning what is it you look like a Swamiji in a pant shirt. Be careful about Swamijis of Tamil Nadu, okay? When Swamiji wrote a book, Kadavai Thora Kaathu Varatum, open the door, let the air come. Kadavai Thora Kaathu Varatum, Ranjita Ulla Vandita. There, Tamil Nadu da inga ukkandirukala. Am I a doctor? Am I a healer? Doctor is giving injection, giving tablets and transferring the money from the pocket of the patient to your pocket. I am talking about people from Tamil Nadu, not the Andhra people are good people. Healer is one who heals the mind. The fellow comes with enormous amount of tension. కడుపు నొప్పి అయ్యో జీముడు పోతుంది జోపులో డబ్బు లేదు వీడి వేరే డబ్బు అడ్వాన్స్ అడుగుతూ ఉన్నాడు ఎక్కడ పోయేది అడ్వాన్స్కో డాక్టర్ మీ దేవుడు మారు ఉన్నాడు కాపాడండి కాపాడుతాను ఇంటెన్సివ్ కేర్ నుండి కాపాడు నాకు నన్ను మంచి దేవుడు అని చెప్తా ఉన్నాడు తెలుగు అర్థమవుతుందా అక్కడ రూమ్కి మార్చిన పిన్నాలు దే మేక్ మీ ఎ గుడ్ డాక్టర్ ది ప్రమోషన్ దెన్ when I give the bill what they say వీడనే డాక్టరా what sir what is your date of birth come on sir Unani sir what is your date of birth what is your date of expiry you don't know what sort of a doctor you are you don't know the date of expiry I too don't know the date of expiry but we'll have to die one day it may be tomorrow or today evening also at least for one day be happy no make other fellow happy return all the money what you have borrowed make your wife happy at least cook your food one day she has been cooking food every day did you ever give a compliment don't do meditation at least make your lady at home dadi I graduated from Chennai I went to America came back I've been running this hospital for the past 46 years. Bhaskar Rao garu poinara. Undara poinara. He promised that he will stay back for my lecture. These doctors don't keep up the promise. Sir, Mirnalu say tattandi sir, my friend, assistant professor. Osmania Medical College assistant professor vachina legend paiki. He's a very good doctor. Turn around. He looks like a hero. He's a surgeon. Surgeons do everything but they know nothing. Physicians know everything, they don't do nothing. Obstetricians don't do anything. Babies are created by the father and mother, they deliver automatically, they collect everything. What about the pathologists? Pathologists know everything, do everything, but little late autopsy. I've been married for 55 years. I passed out in the year 1964. Don't become a doctor. Very tough time. But why so many people are writing NEET examination? They don't know what they are into. So many cases are put against the doctors. Sometimes they break the door also. 55 years I'm married. I'm a doctor for 55 years. I'm married for 55 years with the same wife. ఏ మేడం అందరూ నవ్వుతారు ఎది చెప్పినా నవ్వుతారు సీరియస్ మాట్లాడు I am 26 years old. I told you, I never tell a lie. In my mind, in my body is 76. What can I do? This is the best college we have ever studied. I am coming to the truth. I have been to so many universities, 26 countries have gone. I have been a teacher for 55 years. But the Mount Abu, if you have not, Madam has been there to Mount Abu 11 years. Madam, get up. She is the best Ayurvedic physician. Turn around. Best Ayurvedic physician. She has got a wonderful husband, a surgeon, 2 children. She gets up at 3:30 in the morning. Hello? How many of you get up at 3:30 in the morning? Raise your hands. Come on, raise your hands. 3:30. Only 10 people. All 4 o'clock she reads Murli. 6 o'clock she cooks the food. 8 o'clock she starts practicing medicine. Why learnt peace? What is peace? Hello? You may be the richest man in the whole world. You may be the most beautiful person in the whole world. Nirav Modi and Vijay Mallya, they are richest people. Where are they now? The government of India is searching for them. Yes, sir. One of the, I don't want to talk politics because then I cannot go out from this place. No politics. మా ఊరు పాలిటిక్స్ చెప్పచ్చు. మా ఊర్లో చెప్తే తమిళనాడు పాలిటిక్స్ చెప్తే మీరు నవ్వుతారు. ఫాదర్ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్, సన్ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్, గ్రాండ్ సన్ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్, గ్రాండ్ చైల్డ్ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్. ఊరుని చెప్పను. అమ్మావో చెప్పేద్దండి, పేరు చెప్పేద్దాం. షీఈ్ ఫ్రమ్ తమిళనాడు. మేడం ఈజ్ ఫ్రమ్ తమిళనాడు. There are 2 lakhs of dedicated brothers and sisters. They are all in white saris and white. You must give them an applause. Please give them an applause. Please give them a standing ovation. Please get up. Once in a way you get up. Please get up. It's good for your body. Give a standing applause, please. This conference is organized free of charge. No money. Sit down. They'll give you lunch also free. They will. Why are you laughing? You go to any medical conference, 500 to 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. Here free. This is the best education. Whatever you have learnt in medical college or in the arts college, MBA, MCA, it is meant for an education for a living. What these people are teaching is an education of life. How to have a peaceful life. How to have a loveful life. My God, these people's only job is to educate us. Today they are rejuvenating older people's mind, rejuvenating all the young people's mind. You shall not go back as the person who you came in. You will be transformed into a different person. When you leave this campus, you will be a different person. Promise you, you will become a different person. That's the greatest gift you can give it to yourself. Self-transformation is a gift you can give it. You can give a diamond ring, you can give a Lexus car, no value. If you go home and tell your mother, I'm a different person. If you go home and tell your wife, I'm a totally different person. You go home and tell your hospital, I'm a absolutely changed person. That's the greatest gift you can give it. Godly knowledge, peaceful, your family is peaceful, your institution is peaceful. I was talking to Gondala Rao, so tensed up in a medical college. If you're not peaceful, the whole country is peaceless. Look at China. Is it peaceful? Because Lord Krishna came there in the rupa of a micro-organism. Lord Krishna said, I will come whenever there is Atulyam happening. He went to China. Next he will come to India. Be careful. What is temporary? The money, the wealth, the buildings, the name, the fame, everything is temporary. Then what is permanent, you should know. Permanent is a random acts of kindness done by doctors, the nurses, the paramedical professionals. They spend their sleepless night to save one person. So what you are doing, what I am doing, is the greatest gift you can give to any human being. Applause, please. Who is Vaishnava? Who is a Muslim? Who is a Hindu? Who is a human being? The one man who looks at the other person suffering as his own suffering and does something to relieve that suffering is called a human being. Doctors are endowed with great amount of skills. We study 5 years. You did not become doctors, you did not become nurses. It is the calling of the God. God said, you shall be a doctor. You cannot change that. God did not tell my 5 brothers and 2 sisters to be doctors. Even He did not tell my son, 400 bed, fantastic hospital. He didn't tell my son to become a doctor. Mata Narsimha, Pita Narsimha, Sakha Narsimha, Sakho Narsimha, Sakalam Narsimha. Shiva is the same thing. Shiva is your father, Shiva is your mother, Shiva is your servant also. You tell Shiva, Baba, I am not able to do this. He will do it for you. Only thing, who the hell are you? Somebody asked me. I said, I don't know. Where are you coming from? Heaven. And Brahma Kumari's class you have to attend 6 days. I am not a marketing manager for Brahma Kumari's. What I learned, Arey Baba, it is available near your home. I do not know how many centers are there in Hyderabad, Secunderabad. You must go. The classes are free. Before Brahma Kumaris, before BC and AD, before Christ, after death of the Christ, after the birth of the Christ. So GB before Christ, before Brahma Kumaris, first you must understand I am the grandson of Krishna. Don't laugh. My father's grandfather's Lord Krishna and Dwarka. I am his grandsons. Sachin, you must believe me. Grandsons. Grandest son. Say, applause, sir. Please applause. You please applause. Sachin, I will not lie. Usually doctors don't tell lies. But once in a way I tell a lie. This is what I given. Madam, I have given you this paper. Loading dose. You write there, Dr. G. Bhaktavatsalam, KG Hospital, loading dose. You will have at least 20 videos. Behind every successful man, there is one woman. Wife is what? Worry invited forever. That is why the Brahma Kumars don't get married. Behind every unsuccessful man, there are 2 women. What is the purpose of life? You have to understand the purpose of life. This is only one life you have. Please, the Srimat, the order given by Baba is you must follow the principles. You should be a vegetarian. Hello? From today, all of you are vegetarians. Okay? Not okay. అరే మేకలు లోక తెల్తావే చచ్చిపోయిన మేకలు ఇది సుడుగాడా ఎట్లా సార్ తెలుగు ఎట్లా సార్ యూ బరీ ఆల్ ద డెడ్ యానిమల్స్ ఇస్ ఇట్ ఎ బరియల్ గ్రౌండ్ లుక్ అట్ ది చైనీస్ దే పుట్ ఆల్ ద డెడ్ స్నేక్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ దట్ నౌ దే ఆర్ సఫరింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ కరోనా వైరస్ ఫ్రమ్ టుడే యూ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ చైనీస్ you want to live 100 years, cholesterol 100, sugar 100, blood pressure 100, 100% vegetarian, you must run 100 kilometers a month and you should not weigh 100 kilograms. You must be 100% happy. Copy this in the mind. Daily, Murali, you must read Murali. It is not enough if you go to the center. This is a drama which is happening here in this place. It's a drama. What do you get out of the drama? You don't listen to all the facts and do it like this. You must imbibe certain things which are happening in this world and hand over the problem to Lord Shiva. Problem is very small compared to, look at these people. I saw them working in the night till 1 o'clock they are working. And in the afternoon you see these Brahma Kumaris are cooking wonderful Brahma Bhojan, fantastic Bhojan they'll give you free of charge. I found the morning breakfast they gave us. I'm sorry some of you did not have breakfast today morning. Doesn't matter, it's better to starve for some time. Then you understand the value of food. Do you know 20 crores of Indians are starving every day? Below poverty line, there are 20 crores of this blessed country are starving for want of this amount of food. They get only 25 rupees. Good morning, sir. Sir, good morning. 25 rupees per day is their income. Always be peaceful. Always be smileful, joyful and loveful. Loveful means don't love your neighbor. I should thank this madam. I don't know how she identified. She called me only for 5 seconds. I said yes. The way with which magnetically, this lady I met her 5 times. She is 104, unbelievable amount of energy. The doctor said, don't travel. I said, who are you not to tell me to travel? I will travel because Baba is asking me to travel. You must see her at least once in your lifetime. Even if you can't see her physically, go to Google. Brahmakumari Dadi Janki, Brahmakumari Shivani. You read Brahmakumari Dadi Janki and Brahmakumari Shivani. You will be a different person from today. Don't go to all these movies. Don't go and look at the small Facebooks. You are spoiling your life. Small telephones, you change over from smartphones to ordinary phones. Don't go to movie theater. Let Rajinikanth or Kamal Haasan do whatever he wants. You must be the hero of your life. Don't ever read pornographic material. Hello. Amazing transformations happened in me. All right, now it's coming. This is the father, Baba Shiva. He is somewhere millions of kilometers from here. 5th grade father, 5th grade mother. 5th grade means you cannot be happy like this. Phantomograph, dental, Satya. Blood pressure is checked for every person who comes into the hospital. We have checked about 5 lakhs of people, free BP checkup. Then we said we'll do bypass surgery. We did bypass surgery. We have done 25,000 bypass surgeries at a cost of 90,000 rupees and 2 lakhs of rupees. Possible? Why do you want to come to the hospital? Don't eat in a hotel. Hello? The hotel fellow doesn't create the food. When he creates the food, Tamil, nasama po, chachi poranu, naku increment iledu, poi nela dabbu iledu, pora. This is my hospital. Your mother does a good job. Your father, your mother, your wife does a good job. This is in Tamil. Never eat in a hotel. Hello, never go to a movie. Never watch a television serial. You can watch Discovery Channel. People are transferred in 1 minute. Good morning, madam. I'll finish. Don't worry. She is showing 2 hands. 2 minutes only. 128 slice CT scan was...
Request Vashni madam to come on to the dais, please.